guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raisa Naushin and this is my first Eid makeup look for this time. And for this look I went with a really pinky and peachy kind of a vibe. So I really hope that you guys will enjoy this look, and if you want to know how to get this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching. For this look I have already done the base and brows off camera. Now I'm highlighting my brows, and for that I have taken the Makeup Revolution Eyes Like Angel eyeshadow palette. And I'm taking a really light shimmery champagne shade from there. Now with some loose powder I'm going to carve out the shape of my eyeshadow. First I'm going to take a really intense pink matte eyeshadow and I'm applying it on the outer part of my crease. And for the inner part, I am taking an orange eyeshadow. And I will list all the brand names on my description bar. And make sure while blending those two shades there are no harsh lines. Now I am going to take some concealer to carve out my crease. And to set that concealer in place, I am taking a skin colored eyeshadow from the Focallure Twilight palette. And with a dense packing brush, I am packing it all over that concealer. Going back to that same pink shade, I am going to blend out the outer corners a little bit more. So most of my eyeshadow blending is done for this eye look, so I'm dusting off the excess powder from the under eyes. Here I'm taking the NYC liquid eyeliner and I'm going to do a pretty dramatic wing with that. Here I have shown you exactly how I do the wing. It's kind of weird and hard to describe how I do it, so I guess it will help you guys if you watch the entire thing. Now for mascara, I am taking the Golden Rose Maxim mascara, my all-time favorite. For the lower lash line, I am going to take the same intense pink eyeshadow and I am mainly focusing this on the outer part and slightly blending it towards the inner part. Here I am adding some mascara on the lower lashes. And for my waterline, I am taking a nude eye pencil from Absolute New York. Going back to that same brow bone highlighting shade, I am going to highlight my inner corners. And for a pop of glitter on the inner corners, I am taking the Stila Magnificent Metals in the shade Diamond Dust. As this eye makeup is mostly matte, that's why I wanted this pop of glitter on the inner corners. Here I am adding some falsies, and for that I have taken the Flutter lashes in the style Intoxicating. Now let's move on to the face makeup. First for contouring, I am taking the Sleek Contour Kit in the shade Dark. And I am contouring my cheekbones, jawline and the sides of my forehead. Here I am also contouring my nose. Here I am highlighting my nose bridge and blending it out with my fingers. I am also highlighting my cupid's bow. For blush, I have taken the Jan's Sadia blush and I mixed it in with a little bit of the orange eyeshadow to make it look more peachy. And to highlight my cheekbones, I am taking the Kylie Loose highlighter in the shade Fiji. And I'm highlighting my cheekbones and the sides of my forehead. And to finish the face makeup, I'm taking the MAC Fix Plus so that my face looks really dewy and perfect. And for the lipstick, first I'm taking the Kona by Farnaz liquid lipstick in the shade Caramel Cream, and on top I'm taking a pink gloss. And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'll be able to upload more videos for this Eid. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye! You a fool's girl.